Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Somerset Dam and Kilcoy. Kilcoy is a small rural town surrounded by rolling hills and picturesque countryside, 94 kilometres northwest of Brisbane.
It is known as Yowie country, as there have been more sightings of this mystical beast in Kilcoy than anywhere else in Australia. You can see a giant Yowie statue at the local park and learn more about Yowies at the visitor centre.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
In today's video, we wander around Yowie Park and the craft and art galleries. We enjoy a coffee at the Central Milkbar and then explore the town centre's heritage buildings and street art. We also drive to Lake Somerset and see the dam wall.
Yowie Park is a lovely leafy park on the edge of Fred Greensill Lake with picnic and barbecue facilities, toilets and a playground.
It is the home of the Yowie Coffee van, which operates Thursday to Sundays from 7 a.m. The Yowie market is also held here on the last Saturday of the month.
Here you'll find the latest Kilcoy Yowie sculpture, and it's a great place to take photos. A Yowie statue has been on this site since 1980.
The Craft Market Cottage has unique local handmade arts and crafts and souvenirs.
The Courthouse Art Gallery showcases a range of local and regional exhibits.
The Hall of History exhibits offer insight into the town's past.
If you drop into the visitor centre, you can see the head of the original Yowie statue and learn more about them.
We popped into the Central Milkbar, a cool retro-style cafe in the heart of Kilcoy for our morning coffee.
We wandered around the town centre admiring the heritage buildings which have informative signs on them about their history.
The town of Kilcoy was surveyed in April 1888. In 1892 a post office was established in Kilcoy, but it was named Hopetown Post Office, and the town was informally known as Hopetown until 1908. Then the post office's name was officially changed to Kilcoy, restoring the town's original name. The current Kilcoy Post Office was built in 1913.
The Stanley Hotel was built on this site in 1918.
The Exchange Hotel was built in 1903 and has been renovated and expanded over the years.
We also saw a leopard tank outside the RSL and a lovely mural on the ambulance station that depicts the scenes of an early life in Kilcoy.
The Spit Recreation Area at Lake Somerset is approximately 25 kilometres from Kilcoy on a fully sealed road.
Lake Somerset is one of Queensland's most popular freshwater fishing and camping destinations. The Spit at Lake Somerset is a popular recreational area with a boat ramp, picnic and barbecue facilities, toilets and swimming areas. Boating and fishing permits are required and are available online.
When full, the lake holds 380,000 megalitres of water and covers 4,210 hectares. It is a part of South East Queensland's water grid that supplies the region's drinking water.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.